All right, here we got a video on the Freightliner, little dump truck. Super clean. It's got like 136,000 miles, I believe. Runs good, dump works, tailgate release, the whole deal. Cat motor. Do a little walk around, show you the rig. Tires are halfway decent. They'll need replaced soon, but should get you down the road for a minute. What else? Yeah, obviously a dump, so that's good. These tires look a little better over here. Oh, the outside one. All right. Pretty clean, pretty clean. We got a bunch of pictures, so you can check those out. If there's anything I missed that you want to see, just let us know, email in. I'm gonna hand the phone off and go ahead and start it for you and show you how it dumps and all that. Back up. Right there.